What is up, darlings, and welcome back to Kirsties'Karz. Okay, today we are not diving in the archives. We are just hanging out in the present. Okay, we have a lot of stuff to get done, and I have no space to do anything. So today is just one of those days where I need to take the time to kind of reorganize my life out here, which is not the easiest thing, okay? Like, I just don't get rid of stuff very often, and I've kept a lot of stuff that I probably shouldn't have kept. There's just no reason. I'm a very sentimental person, so pretty much anything that my dad or my sister touched, I've kept. I just miss them, you know? So I just need to go through some stuff and reorganize some tools, and I got so many cool gifts from people that I just have not had the time to show you guys and not had the time to put away. I definitely haven't had time to use them, which I need to find time for that. And I need to find space for that because I just have so much to do. And I'm just feeling really flustered and like, oh my goodness, I got a lot to do. But as long as I keep pushing forward a little bit at a time, I feel like we'll get there eventually. As you guys can tell by my appearance, today is Thursday, and it has just been a super hectic day, and I just really didn't give a crap today. So, you guys probably don't care. So, heck yeah. That's why I love you guys. Now, I just have so much stuff that I just haven't had time for in life lately, past couple years. So I just need to do that. I need to do all of that. All the stuff that I haven't been doing. Okay, and one of those things would be getting rid of all of this, like, used oil, okay? This is a lot of oil, and I just need to get it transferred into my little tubs here so I can go get it recycled, get rid of it, you know? It's taking up space, and I don't have space. Even that thing's full, and I would really like to have that oil pan back, because I only got to use it once. And anyways, it's just chaos. It's just freaking chaos in here, guys. It's just too much for me to handle. Freaking old bumper cover, an old head from the Subaru, just all the Christmas stuff, just everything's just shoved in places. I really would like to have a designated spot for all my painting stuff, my auto body, like bodywork stuff, you know, all the just little designated spots. That would be cool. That would be real cool. I tried to do that, like this was all like my painting and Bondo and stuff, and then I spilt a whole bunch of stuff, and it's just so clustered everywhere that I'm just like in a full panic, honestly. So I'm just taking the time to just like kind of reorganize all my parts and pieces and all the different, like, there's so many, like those are all Nova parts, I'm pretty sure. And then there's just like so many mixtures, you know, where you're like, if I had a little bit better organization, probably make for a better day out here, you know, and I could probably get to things a lot faster. So I just need to, you know, just clean it, just clean everything, because I'm feeling really, really stuck, you know, and I don't like that feeling. So let's get rocking on this, and then we'll get rocking on all of that, and, you know, by the end of it, we'll have some room, and we'll feel better. And I don't know about you guys, but I don't know. I am not happy if I'm out here, like, hating my life, you know? If I'm like, I don't even want to be out here. Like, it's messy, it's clustered, and every time I go to walk somewhere, I'm tripping on something. Who likes that? Nobody. Okay, so we're just gonna, like, make it better, okay? And then I promise I'll be in a better mood, and I'll be more willing to get out here and actually tackle some of these huge tasks that I have to tackle. There's so much oil. Ah. Like for reals. I'm already 2 jugs full. I found some old filters. I'm really waiting to like find like a mouse in here or something, because these have been here for years. So who knows what could be in these? Like, ugh. I'm not looking forward to that. But I broke a cardinal rule. I used a turkey pan to drain my oil like 5 years ago. And it stayed back in that corner, the bottom shelf. And I had forgotten about it. What a perfect time to not get my turkey pan back, because I don't think I'm gonna reuse that, you know? But hey, that is a good pan to keep in the shop for just in case scenarios. I mean, who really uses oil drain pans? Like, I literally just use whatever's available, if you can't tell. The one, like, actual oil pan I've, like, bought in, I used once, and then the oil's just in there, and then you're like, well, damn, I can't use it again. Like, what the... So here we are. Progress. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 jugs filled. Oh wait, that's 8. I filled up 8 freaking jugs. Oh my goodness. Aye. So yeah, now I just gotta add those to the already full ones that I have. Oh my. And I need to get down there and clean that. Gosh, it's been chaos, but I got this a little organized at least, and it's coming together. So we're getting there. We're getting somewhere. We're making progress. We're putting sockets back where they belong. And just getting, like, you know, tools where they belong. I like tools going where they belong, so heck yeah. Well, at least it's organized. Feel better about that, at least. Now just to organize the rest of it. We're getting somewhere. Freaking Burr, Colorado. Okay, it is freezing. We're gonna be getting a lot more snow. We got some snow, but we're getting a lot more. I'm freezing my butt off. But I wanted to tell you guys that I started another job. So along with my first full-time job, I now have another job. and not including the YouTube stuff and like all the family stuff and house stuff and all that. So I've been super busy, but I'm trying to get you guys what I can when I can, and right now seems like a good time to show you how much I got cleaned up. It's freaking incredible. I don't know why, it just feels so much bigger. Like, I feel like I got so much more room over here. Got all my welding supplies organized. I still have to organize a lot of stuff. I want to make like a paint section. Need to find somewhere to put my new impact sockets from Capri. This spool is mounted. It's like, when I get the paint booth set up here again, it's gonna be perfect and just where I need it. I got this area all organized as well, where I put all my old oil, but I put all those Nova parts that were on the white table. I got them all set up here and kind of took an inventory of what I got going on here. You know, it's kind of nice to know. I still have some mad organizing to do on this here shelf, which was kind of just like, okay, wherever we can't find somewhere to put it, just throw it here. But I did take this like little piece here and put it here. It was on the tailgate of the El Camino. My dad had a thing for stickers and stuff like that, so it was on here, but it was like falling off because he had it held on with double-sided tape. And I mean, that stuff just like eventually like disintegrates like it's doing right now, you know? So I ended up taking that off, but I found a new repurposing method for it and threw it on here with some double-sided tape to kind of keep stuff from rolling off my, my bench right here. It was perfect because I'm always throwing stuff on here and it always falls off, but with that, kind of has this lip and it holds it on. So, I'm always repurposing stuff. It's great. So, bam, look at that. Perfect fit. Heck yes. So there, now we are all organized. Man, look at that compared to that. Heck yes. But yeah, I just really enjoy organization, and since it's been so cold and miserable, I've kind of just like bundled up and came out here and just, kept myself busy and moving, and it's helped me to stay grooving, really. So, but I am in the process right now of organizing all my Bondo tools and all my sandpaper. I have a whole box of sandpaper that I'm going to downsize and try and put into one of these, and then have my Bondo tools in one, all my body work type of stuff I got going on there. Went and organized my car cleaning stuff, getting rid of a few things, but yeah, everything's just, coming together, you guys. It just feels good and organized and solid and like all the little things. I spent a bunch of time just going through all the little things, and who has time for that? Nobody. So if you're wondering why I haven't been putting out much content, it's because I've been organizing. It's been fantastic. I ain't gonna lie, though. I got extra space for even more stuff. Look, here's my electrical drawer I got going on. But yeah, you guys, it's been beautiful. It's been busy. Thank you guys so freaking much for sticking around on this journey with me. I just can't thank you enough. It's absolutely amazing the support I have, and I just can't wait to get it done, you guys. So let's take a look at some stuff we got. Her hat says it all. I am definitely a scrap junkie, and these are my rules. Don't touch my tools. Look at all this amazing stuff, though. Check out the thickness on this bad boy. This definitely would have helped me with the El Camino. Man. Oh my gosh, like I got so many amazing gifts, so many amazing tools that I'll be able to use without a doubt. Like, I cannot even express. And a book, How to Paint Your Car? Who knew that I absolutely love to read? It's one of my favorites. And yes, more air tool stuff, like gosh, I just got that compressor. This is gonna help a lot. And this thing, an air punch flange tool. Never heard of it, but I did some research and oh my goodness, this is gonna help me out a bunch. I've received postcards and New Year's cards from Germany even. I'm just so freaking grateful. Thank you, Scott, Ryan. Thank you, Chris. Thank you, George. And there's so many others, but these were the only ones that came with names. So thank you guys so much. And this package was absolutely amazing. I mean, this guy said that he wasn't much into automotive, but someone in his family was. And he had some of this stuff laying around and he just really wanted to help me out with tools. Look at these freaking paint guns. This is absolutely adorable. A mini detail spray gun. And they're purple, like the cutest color. I'm so obsessed. A whole bunch of different air tool stuff, which will absolutely help me. This is gonna hold my paint gun. We got some wire brushes, which are always needed, along with these discs. Could not go wrong with some discs and cutoff wheels. I'm just so freaking grateful. Thank you for taking the time to package all this up and send it to me. I will absolutely use it. Absolutely. And these guns, oh my gosh, I am so freaking obsessed with them, and I'm researching them right now, and they're super cool. I cannot wait to give them a try. Thank you guys so much again for all of the gifts and all of the love and all of the support. Truly, it means the absolute world to me. You guys are the freaking best. And I want to give a huge shout out to my members for always believing in me and pushing me to do better. You guys are amazing.